This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power off the Redmi A3 and hold volume down plus power to enter fast boot. Once in fast boot, connect to a PC with USB and make sure drivers install. Windows will show a device. Extract the MIUI Fastboot ROM you downloaded and place it in a simple folder like C/MIUI. You do this because clean flashing replaces broken system images. Make sure My Flash sees the device ID. If not, replug or reinstall drivers until recognized. You now run My Flash and pick the extracted Fastboot ROM folder, choosing Clean All for a full system restore or save user data to keep files. Once done, click Refresh so My Flash detects the Fastboot ID, then press Flash and watch the progress bar until 100%. Do not disconnect or interrupt. Intermittent power will brick the phone. If flashing fails with a protocol or auth error, retry with the latest My Flash release and a different USB port, then reboot PC and try again. You finish by letting the phone complete its first boot. Expect 10 to 15 minutes as systems initialize. Once booted, verify settings and re-enable developer options if needed. If the device remains on the logo, boot to recovery and wipe cache and Dalvik/Art cache, then reboot. That often clears boot loops. If wiping fails, re-flash using My Flash with the Clean All option. If you still cannot load Android, take one photo of the fast boot errors and contact an authorized repair center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.